Hello friends, last time we saw the two important functions lapply and sapply, where sapply was a wrapper function of lapply, and today we are going to discuss the next topic, one of the important topics of the apply family, and that is tapply. So when do you use a tapply? So when you have some data in one of the columns, you have some categorical data, and if you want to subset the data based upon those categories, and if you want to apply some function upon that subsetted data, then you use tapply functions, right? So let's say the iris data set, which we discussed in the last chapter, which we are also going to take in this chapter also for the practicals. For example, there are 4 columns: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width, and the 5th column is the species, where you have 3 species. Now if you want to subset the data based upon these species, that is either from versicolor or virginica or setosa, you can do that by just one single function, that is tapply. So how does it work? So you gave a vector, you do not provide a matrix here. So this is one of the important difference between the other 3 functions that we discussed and this tapply. In this tapply, you provide a vector on which you want to perform an operation, and then you say on which where is the data point where you want to, which is the column in which you have a factor data or categorical data, and the third function is the function that you want, and the third parameter is the function that you want to apply. So if you want to apply let's say mean of the petal length of setosa, then you say in the first data the vector would be of a petal length, then you say the species data, the species column has my factor data, and the third is the function that I want to apply for. Let's say I want to apply mean, then you apply mean, and you can get the output which the mean of the particular column. So this is the important function of the tapply. So the summarized form, when we can use tapply and what are its advantages, is displayed on your screen. So you have a tapply function where you can see what are the parameters you pass into. So the very first one is the X, which indicates the column on which you want to do operation. Second is the column where you know that the categorical data or the factor data is available. Third is the function you want to apply. Fourth is the default, which is equals to NA. This indicates how you want to deal with the data points where you have NA. And the 5th point is the 5th parameter is the simplify equals to truth, which acts in the similar manner which we used in the sapply. So this is the structure of tapply. Now we will see the practicals of tapply.